Ever wondered if that TD Bank card in your wallet is a Visa or something else? Thinking face, it's a common question, especially with so many different card networks out there. Understanding which network your bank uses for its cards can be pretty important for everything from making purchases to knowing what benefits you might have. Let's dive into whether TD Bank is indeed a Visa bank. TD Bank and Visa, the connection. So, is TD Bank a Visa bank? The short answer is yes. Primarily, TD Bank largely partners with Visa for its credit and debit cards. This means if you have a TD Bank debit card, it's very likely a Visa debit card. Similarly, a significant majority of TD Bank's credit card offerings are also part of the Visa network. For instance, if you get a TD checking account, it typically comes with a Visa debit card. This card allows you to make purchases and pay bills just like a credit card, but the funds are drawn directly from your checking account. It offers the wide acceptance of Visa, meaning you can use it almost anywhere Visa is accepted, both in person and online. When it comes to credit cards, TD Bank offers a range of options, and almost all of them are Visa cards. You'll find popular TD Bank credit cards, such as the TD Double Up Credit Card, TD Cash Credit Card, and TD First Class Visa Signature Credit Card, all operating on the Visa network. This is a deliberate choice by TD Bank, focusing their credit card offerings on one major network. What does this mean for you? Having a Visa card from TD Bank comes with several advantages. The Visa network is one of the largest and most widely accepted payment networks globally. This means you'll have broad acceptance for your TD Bank cards, whether you're shopping online, in a store, or traveling internationally. Beyond widespread acceptance, Visa cards often come with a suite of benefits and protections. These can include fraud protection. Visa's zero liability policy generally protects you from unauthorized charges if your card is lost or stolen. This offers significant peace of mind. Purchase security. Some Visa cards offer protection for eligible items purchased with your card against theft or damage for a certain period. Extended warranty. Certain Visa cards may extend the manufacturer's warranty on items you buy. Travel benefits. Depending on the specific Visa card, you might get perks like travel and emergency assistance services, roadside dispatch, or lost luggage reimbursement. So, when you see that Visa logo on your TD Bank card, you're not just getting a way to pay. You're gaining access to a globally recognized payment network with built-in security and potential benefits that can enhance your financial life. It's interesting to note that historically, back in 2005 when TD Bank acquired Canada Trust actually issued MasterCard cards. However, due to competition rules at the time, which prevented a single institution from issuing both Visa and MasterCard simultaneously, TD Bank sold Canada Trust's MasterCard business. This further solidified TD Bank's commitment to the Visa network for its card offerings. For both debit and credit cards, TD Bank has a strong and consistent relationship with Visa, providing its customers with the widespread acceptance and robust features that come with the Visa network. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.